Hi everyone, my full name is Luz Angelica León Gomez. This is task 9 for English 2 of UNAT. I'm from Bogota and I'm 18 years old in every leg. And today I will tell you about me. My email address is LALEONGO UNADBIRTUAL EDU I'm an operator. I work in like an operator in a factory. I live in Kennedy. This is a huge and noisy neighborhood, and perhaps despite there are many people and there are many noisy and there are many bikes and motorcycles and cars, I enjoy living here. I love to ride my bike. I love to read the Bible and listen music. My favorite food is all kind of vegetable salads. My favorite movie is The Lord of the Rings because it shows the fight between the light and the darkness, and I believe it's a reality in this world. But I think the light always win. I like the characters too. About the book, my favorite book is Your Children Do Matter. Has been written by Juan Varela and Maria Mar Molina. I like this book because this book talk about the importance of when the importance of your children when you are a dad or when you are a mom, and it remain me a writing that is in the Bible and is in Psalms 127 verse 3 and says, lo, children are an heritage of the Lord, and the fruit of the womb in his reward. About my qualities, positive qualities, I am an active person, and I responsible, and I am honest person. And negative, I am dystrophy. I'm very teedy. It is a problem because I don't like messy people. My daily routine, I don't have um, only one schedule. My schedules are changing all time. But during the day when I wake up, then I brush my teeth and take a shower. I wear my uniform. I pray. After that, I make and eat my breakfast. Then I go to my job, and when I return to home, I study and make my homeworks from the university, and then I go to sleep. On weekends, I usually go to church and share time with my family and my friends. I will talk about Madeline. She is my sister. She is 29 years old. She is a nurse. She is tall and so beautiful. She is blonde and her eyes are blue. Looks very young. And Madeline's personality. She is a nice person, always she is happy all time, despite difficult situations, always smile. She is a positive person. And negative quality, she is a messy person, and sometimes she is lazy too. I will tell you a happy day. One day I found a little dog in the street and it was lost. So my son decided adopt it and named Lola. It was a happy day. And a sad day. Other day Lola escaped from home and it lost during a week. My son and me were so sad. We believe Lola has died, but thanks God a friend found it and returned again. Thanks. Bye.